Bella 14-ounce rocket blender, black stainless steel, model number 14821, SQ number 6355802. Cost $9.99. Best Buy. https://www.bestbuy.com/site/Bella-14-00 rocket blender, black stainless steel /6,355,802 P. SKU ID equals 6,355,802. Description: create fresh blended drinks and sauces with this Bella 8-piece rocket blender. A compact design conserves kitchen space, while the dishwasher-safe cups and accessories ensure quick cleanup. This Bella 8-piece rocket blender comes with a storage lid to save mixes for later use and a stainless steel grinding assembly for preparing dry blends. Blender and juicer buying guide features: take a serving of your favorite drinks. A 14-oz blending cup makes it easy to whip up your favorite smoothies. Light, durable container design. Pitcher is made from BPA-free plastic. Plenty of options. Grinding, shake and blend functions allow flexibility for your favorite recipes. 285W motor provides enough power to easily blend frozen fruit and ice. Stainless steel blade ensures smooth, even blending. Easy cleanup. Accessories: blade and cup are dishwasher safe. What's included? Bella 14-oz rocket blender blending cup, 400 ml, cup, 177 ml, lip ring, shaker lid, stainless steel blade, storage lid. Key specs: detachable blades. No blender type. Countertop blenders. Blade material: stainless steel. On-off power switch. Yes. Wattage info: 285 watts. Cord storage: no. Capacity 13.5 ounces. General product name: 14-oz rocket blender, brand Bella. Additional accessories included: cup, 177 ml, storage lid, lip ring, shaker lid, blending cup, 400 ml, model number 14821, color black, stainless steel, color category black, compliance BPA-free. Info: yes. Feature: dishwasher safe. Parts: select parts. Control type: other. Auto shut off. Info: no. See through lid: yes. App compatible. Info: no. Dimension: product width 9.2 inches, product weight 3.7 pounds, product length 7.5 inches, product height 8 inches. Performance: functions, grind warranty, manufacturer's warranty. Parts: 2 years, manufacturer's warranty. Labor: 2 years. Other diecast: no. UPC number 8294861482217.
So after, I think it's been over a month since we've been using this item. It's been working flawlessly, very well, excellently. I have absolutely no complaints with it. It's for the price, it's definitely worth it. It makes, for the price, it definitely makes a great gift. Everybody needs one of these at one time or another in their kitchen. It's an excellent item. I like it. Price is great. Like I said, everyone needs one of these. It makes a great gift. Affordable to gift away or buy. Excellent, excellent item for the price. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye. You just put it in, twist. Can you do it again, honey? Put it in and twist. I don't think I ever showed how it works. It has these little clips at the end to put it in and find the fitting. Stop or it'll keep going. So it doesn't stop by itself, it just keeps going. Okay, awesome. Alright, I hope you liked the video. Thank you.